Hello, my name is Manteja. I am from CSAML A section. Now my topic name is alkylation. Alkylation is the migration of an alkyl substance from one molecule to another. An alkyl carbocation or an carbanion or a free radical and a carbene which are generated from electrophilic alkylating agents such as olefin and alkyl halide. In the presence of strong mineral acid or Lewis acid, like metal oxide. In this, in this reaction, we can see the benzene is reacted with alkyl halide to form alkyl benzene with acid. Alkylation is a transfer of an alkyl group from one molecule to another molecule. The alkyl group may be transferred as a alkyl carbocation or free radical or a carbanion. Alkylation is a migration of a alkyl substance from one molecule to another. An alkyl carbocation, a carbanion, or a free radical are carbene which are generated from electrophilic alkylating agents such as olefin and alkyl halides. In the presence of strong mineral agent, acid or Lewis acid such as metal oxide. In this reaction, we can see that benzene is converted into alkyl benzene by using catalyst and aboreactants. Now we will see some types of alkylation reactions. First one is alkylation of a halide or ketone to form CC single bond, that is nothing but Grignard reagent. The Grignard reaction is an organometallic chemical reaction in which alkyl or allyl or many halides is added to a carbonyl group in an aldehyde or ketone. This reaction is important for the formation of carbon single bond carbon bonds. The coupling reaction of an alkyl halide and an organometallic to form CC single bond. This is another reaction. This reaction name is Woods reaction. The Woods reaction, named after Charles Adolph Woods, is a coupling of reaction in organic chemistry, the organometallic chemistry, and recently in organic main group polymers, whereby two alkyl halides are reacted with sodium metal in diether solution to form a higher alkene. And the third one is alkylation of aromatic rings with alkyl halide. This is nothing but Friedel-Crafts reaction. In this picture, we can see In this picture, we can see some catalytic Friedel-Crafts alkylation. The Friedel-Crafts the Friedel-Crafts alkylation refers to the replacement of an aromatic proton with an alkyl group. This is done through the help of carbocation. The Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is a method of generating alkyl benzenes by using alkyl halides as reactants. In this picture, we can see the aromatic compound called benzene reacted with alkyl halide to form toluene, that is alkyl benzene, and the byproduct. In this reaction, The substances to aromatic ring are attached. Friedel-Crafts reactions are two types. One is alkylation and another is acylation. Both proceed by electrophilic aromatic substitution. Now we will see about Grignard reagents and Grignard reaction. The Grignard reaction is an organometallic chemical reaction in which alkyl, allyl vinyl or aryl magnesium halides such as Grignard reagents is added to a carbonyl group in a halide or ketone. This reaction is important for the formation of carbon single bond carbon bonds. In this reaction, we can see the negative part is attracted by the positive part. By this, the reaction takes place and carbon single bond carbon is formed. The reaction of an organic halide with magnesium is not a Grignard reaction, but it provides a Grignard reagent. The Grignard reactions and reagents were discovered by the name after French chemist Grignard. The Grignard reagent arises from the concomitant presence of multiple organomagnesium species and the competing mechanisms involving either nucleophilic addition or the formation of radical intermediates. The range of activation energies displayed by all these compounds are relatively small. The most reactive species are dinuclear magnesium complex, in which the substrate and the nucleophile initially bind to different magnesium centers. As a mononuclear dimethyl magnesium. The radical reaction, which requires the homolytic cleavage of the magnesium CH3 bond, could not occur unless the substrate with a low-lying pi bond orbital coordinates of magnesium center. Now we will see some information about Wood's reaction. Wood's reaction is a coupling reaction in organic chemistry, the organometallic chemistry, and the recently inorganic main group polymers whereby two alkyl halides are reacted with sodium metal in the diether solution to form higher alkane. In this reaction, we can see the sodium is reacted with alkyl halide. After the reaction, sodium and halide are combined each other and the part is only organic compound. The mechanism of this reaction involves free radicals allowing for the possibility of side reactions that lead to the formation of alkenes as a product. A reaction related to the Wurtz reaction in which aryl halides are used instead of alkyl halides is often called the Wurtz-Fitting reaction. The Wurtz reaction is observed from the equation of the reactions which is in the picture, the yielding an alkane with a higher, longer chain along with sodium halide, where halide is halogens. Now we will see some limitations in Wurtz reaction. Commonly, the symmetric alkanes can be synthesized this reaction since a mixture of alkane products are formed when dissimilar alkanes are reacted. There, e- there exists a side reaction which an alkene product is formed. Should the alkyl halides be bulky in nature, especially at a halogen end, there is a greater amount of alkane formed. This is about the alkylation process. Thank you.